Welcome to this quick and simple guide on how to log out of the X app. Whether you're switching accounts or just want to step away for a while, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can log out with ease. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once it loads, look toward the top left corner of your screen where your profile picture is displayed. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a side menu that gives you access to all the important account options. From here, scroll down and look for the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new section with plenty of features related to your account management and privacy controls. Next, choose the option labeled Your Account. Once inside, you'll see another list of settings related to your personal information and account access. Tap on Account Information from that list. At the bottom of the account information page, you'll find the option to log out. Tap on it, and the app will ask you to confirm your choice. This final step is there to make sure you don't accidentally log out without meaning to. Simply confirm, and you are officially logged out of the X app. The whole process only takes a few seconds, but it's important to know where everything is located since the app menu can feel overwhelming at first glance. By following these steps, you can log out whenever you need to without any confusion. A quick recap. Open the X app, tap your profile picture, go into Settings and Privacy, select your account, open Account Information, then tap Log Out and confirm. Once you complete that last step, you'll return to the login screen, ready to sign back in whenever you choose. And that's it. Now you know the proper way to log out on the X app, updated for today's version. If you found this helpful, try it out on your own device and enjoy having complete control over your account access.